Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Java Remote Method Invocation, RMI, is a Java API that allows objects to communicate with each other over a network. It enables the invocation of methods on an object located in another Java virtual machine, JVM, which can be on the same machine or on a different one. RMI is a powerful way to build distributed applications in Java. #RMI architecture. The RMI architecture consists of several key components. 1. Remote objects, objects that can be called remotely. They must implement a remote interface. 2. Remote interface, a standard Java interface that declares the methods that can be called remotely. This interface extends java.rmi.remote. 3. Stub, a client-side representation of the remote object. The stub acts as a proxy, forwarding requests from the client to the remote object. 4. Skeleton, a server-side representation of the remote object, in earlier versions of Java. The skeleton receives requests from the stub and invokes the appropriate method on the actual remote object. Note that in Java 2 and later, the skeleton is no longer required, as the RMI system handles it automatically. 5. RMI registry, a naming service that allows clients to look up remote objects by name. The RMI registry runs on the server and is a simple server that listens for requests from clients. ### Steps to create an RMI application. 1. Define the remote interface. Create an interface that extends java.rmi.remote and declares remote methods. 2. Implement the remote interface. Create a class that implements the remote interface. 3. Create the RMI registry. Start the RMI registry so that clients can look up the remote object. 4. Create the server. Create the server application that binds the remote object to the RMI registry. 5. Create the client. Create the client application that looks up the remote object and invokes methods on it. ### Example code. ### Step 1. Define the remote interface. ### Step 2. Implement the remote interface. Step 3. Create the server. Step 4. Create the client. How to run the example. 1. Compile the code, save each class in its own file, hello.java, helloimpl.java, helloserver.java, and helloclient.java, and compile them using javac. 2. Start the RMI registry, open a command line and run. This starts the RMI registry on the default port, 1099. 3. Run the server, in another command line, run. 4. Run the client, in another command line, run. You should see the following output on the client. Conclusion. Java RMI is a robust solution for creating distributed applications. The example above demonstrates a simple use case where a remote method is invoked from a client. In real-world applications, RMI can be used to build more complex systems where multiple remote objects and methods are involved.